cleared for takeoff.
Alright, 1 turn 8130, clear for takeoff. 31 center, southwest, southwest 1772.
Southwest 1436, midway tower, your company's going to land 4 right, runway 31 center, line up wait.
Line up and wait, runway 31 center, southwest 1436.
Challenger 8 Kilo Delta, safe parking. I'm sorry to get that. 8 Kilo Delta, turn right when able, kind of ground point 65.
What unit, ground point 65, Kilo.
Southwest 1772, right turn to 130.
Southwest 1772, good day.
Tower Jets at 651, heading 36017, rated to Herman.
Exec Jets 651, midway tower, descend your discretion and continue. Runway 4 left is available if you go into signature.
Okay, we'll take 4 left. That'll help us both.
Southwest 1436, start the right turn.
In a turn, Southwest 1436.
Southwest 3353, company ahead is a right turn eastbound, maintain business operation with him. Turn right, heading 130, runway 31 center, clear takeoff.
Right turn heading 130, clear takeoff 31 center, Southwest 3353, will go.
Southwest 1306, midway tower now, runway 31 center, line up wait.
31 center, line up and wait, South 1306.
Southwest 1436, fly heading 110, contact departure.
Okay, 110, we're switching Southwest 1436. Tower Southwest 46 is over Cisco for 4 right.
Southwest 486, midway tower, traffic's going to depart, runway 31 center, wind 340 at 6, runway 4 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 4 right, Southwest 46.
Southwest 3353, fly heading of 130, contact departure.
Southwest 3353, good day.
Southwest 1306, runway 31 center, turn right, heading 110, clear for takeoff.
Right turn, heading 110, 31 center, clear for takeoff, South 1306.
Exec Jet 651, make the 180 on the runway, back taxi on my frequency and stand by for more.
Okay, 180 on the runway, and wait for you, just a good one.
Delta 1648, midway tower, traffic's going land, runway 4 right, runway 31 center, line up and wait.
5 wait, 31 center, Delta 1648.
Exec Jet 651, cross runway 31 right, hold short of runway 31 center.
Cross 31 right, hold short 31 center, 651.
Exec Jet 928, release time is at 51 after the hour, time now is 47 and a half, you didn't have that. Southwest 2246, midway tower, left lane up, 2 short, 31 center.
Cleared left from the left lane, hold short of 31 center, Southwest 2040.
Southwest 1306, come right to 110 and contact departure 184, good day.
Order departure, Southwest 1306. Tower 183, Mike, got room in inbound.
Exec Jet 651, expedite across runway 31 center, then also cross 3 on left and turn right on Juliet, ground point 65 on Juliet. November 1883, Mike, midway tower, this wind is a 320 at 7, runway 4 right, Colonel Land, traffic departure 31 center.
Clear to land, 4 right, Agent Mike.
Delta 1648, runway 31 center, turn right, heading 130, clear for takeoff.
Right turn 130, clear for takeoff on 31 center, 1648.
Southwest 2246, runway 31 center, line up and wait, be ready to go.
31 center, line up and wait, Southwest 2246.
Southwest 846, exit right and contact ground point 65, get in.
Right turn 65, Southwest 46.
Southwest 2246, traffic is 2 out for the cross runway, runway 31 center, turn left, heading 250, clear for takeoff.
Left turn 250, 31 center, clear for takeoff, Southwest 2246.
Southwest 2246, traffic is 2 out for the cross runway, runway 31 center, turn left, heading 250, clear for takeoff.
Left turn 250, 31 center, clear for takeoff, Southwest 2246. Today's tower, Southwest 1424 is over Urban, 4 right.
Exec Jet 928, runway 31 center, line up and wait, traffic lands 4 right. Southwest 1424, midway tower, traffic on short final for your runway, traffic departs 31 center, wind 300 at 5, runway 4 right, Colonel Land.
Clear land 4 right, Southwest 1424.
Delta 1648, fly heading of 130 and contact departure.
Departure 1648 1.
Exec Jet 928, traffic is 2 out for 4 right, runway 31 center, turn right, heading 110, clear for takeoff.
Okay, right turn to 110, clear to go 31 center, clear for takeoff.
Southwest 2246, contact departure 133.5.
Quick, 2240.
Anytime.
Southwest 712 is Urban inbound.
Atlantic. J3, Mike, turn right there. Hold short, runway 31 center on the return. Contact ground point 65.
3165, hold short of 31 center, Agent Mike.
Southwest 2859, midway tower, traffic still land 4 right, runway 31 center, line up wait.
Wait, 31 center, Southwest 2859.
Southwest 712, midway tower.